Welcome to another Vinopsis edition with the latest financial updates. U.S. stock markets followed Europe down with major indexes closing lower. Let's turn to Robin for more of the top stories moving the markets.
Global markets grinded mostly higher today. Major U.S. stock indexes closed down. The Nasdaq 100 dropped 1.1% as government bond yields touched their highest level in about 16 years. Asia's markets closed mixed, with Tokyo increasing 0.4% and stocks in China finishing 0.3% lower. Europe markets also retreated, with the regional Stoxx 600 index declining 0.2%, while the UK's FTSE 100 declined 0.4%. Europe ended today's session widely down, with none of its main markets recording a gain, as the Euro Stoxx 600 slipped 0.2%. The Milan FTSE MIB was the laggard, with a noteworthy loss of 2.1%, while the London FTSE 100 recorded the smallest loss, of only 0.4%. Also of interest, the Frankfurt DAX 30 ended with a 1.1% drop. European markets have already closed. The S&P 500 lost 0.7% today, with healthcare and energy its only sectors that ended in the green, gaining 0.4% and 0.15% respectively. The basic materials sector led the losses, with a 1.2% fall, followed by financial stocks, which lost 1.1%. Moving on to sovereign debt. The yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4%, after a loss of 3 basis points over the past week, and a 5 basis points drop today, following the decision of the U.S. to sell $62.0 billion in reopened 6-month bills on Monday. Today's most notable move is that of the Germany 10-year government bond, with its yield losing 13 basis points. The note currently yields 2.5%, following a weekly loss of 9 basis points. Notable in the U.S. stock market. 376 of the S&P 500 stocks ended today's session in the red. The top losers were SVB Financial Group, which dived 60%, International Flavors and Fragrances, with a 19% slump, and Dexcom, which slid 10%. SVB Financial Group's move brought its price to $106, breaking its 16-week low. The Nasdaq 100 stocks, which recorded the largest moves today, were Dexcom, with a 10% plummet, ZS, which slumped 5.5%, and CrowdStrike, with a 4% fall. Dexcom traded today on below its monthly average volume.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed your latest edition. Don't miss out on our coming updates with what you need to know for great portfolio returns.